This 2021 Jayco Jay Flight SLX 8224 BH2 BDRM Queen Bed and DBL Bed Bunks is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. This new Jayco is 27 feet 1 inch in length and features a tan, brown classic neutrals interior, sleeps 8, skylight, air conditioning, TV, auxiliary battery, external shower, and 42 gal fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, front bedroom, mid-kitchen, outdoor kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2021 Jayco Jay Flight SLX 8224 BH2 BDRM Queen Bed and DBL Bed Bunks is 4,579 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by White Horse RV Center, visit RVUSA.com.